What is up, man? Back at y'all with another video, man. Fishing with Nate family, man. I want to thank y'all for tuning in to this video, man. Y'all already know, man. It's about to go down. About to do some upgrades. About to get some sanding going on, man. We got a lot going on today, man. Today is Saturday, and I came to put some work in, man. That's all I gotta say, man. Let's get it, man. All right, y'all. So what is up, man? Back at it again, man. As y'all can see, like I left off on the last video, man. As y'all saw, we got this outboard. Excuse the plane. We got this outboard, you know, standing up vertical, man. And as y'all can see, this is the reason why I needed it to be up this way, man, so I could, you know, get this thing, you know, on level playing ground, man, so I could get to some of this sanding on both sides of the motor, you know what I'm saying? And at the same time, so that I can, you know, get a more of a bird's eye view, man, of what's going on, man. So I'm happy that we were able to get that done in the last video, man. So today I got that temp switch that I told y'all I had ordered. I got that. I'm gonna be installing that today, man. What else? And pretty much, man, I'm gonna just do a general cleanup, man, of this thing, man. Not with that yet. I'm still waiting on that to come in. I ordered some gunk engine degreaser, the original for this engine, and I ordered the gunk shine and protect, man, also. So what we gonna mainly focus on today is this lower half down here. I'm gonna get this all sanded up, man, nice and neat, and get this thing cleaned up. Spray some degrees on here and get this thing cleaned up, man, to, you know, kind of get it right, man, so I can, you know, you know, do my thing, man, and get ready to get this thing painted, man. So I just want to make sure it's got a nice clean job on it, and we gonna go from there, man. So y'all come on, join me. Y'all already know the saying, man. Let's get it, baby. All right, man. So like I was saying, I had to order a temp switch, man. As y'all can see, this was the old one. This little, I don't know what this is, a grommet. As y'all can see, I said it was corroded last time, but it just looked like it's, you know, a little wear and tear and a little rust on it, man. So I decided to switch it out. Don't know if it worked, but you know, I'm gonna still keep it just in case if it does work as a backup. And this is the new temp switch, man. As y'all can see, part number 584592, man. As y'all can see, pretty much it's the same thing, just new. So we go throw this in there, man, get this going, and we gonna go from there. Hopefully this thing go straight in there. I hope it does. I don't want no problems. Oh yeah, it look like we going straight in. Don't know how to get these things in, but I'm gonna try my best. I damn sure don't know what the hell I'm doing, but I'm gonna try my best. Now this is an awkward angle for me to get this in as well, so I do what I gotta do, man. Gotta get it in there though. I don't know if I need a little force. I really don't want to poke nothing in there with it. I don't really want to be stabbing nothing in there like that. I'm trying to tear nothing up. I don't want to tear that grommet up. Come on, dude, get in there. just want to get this thing in already and be done with it. For real. That ain't gonna work. I don't know, y'all, why everything have to be so freaking difficult, man. Everything just gotta be so difficult all the time. So when you come upon situations like that, man, you just gotta improvise, man. So that's what I'm gonna have to do, man. Damn. Sheesh. Let's see, that's why I'm using this rag. Cause I can feel that go punching right through. Well, I got him in now. No, man, for a guy who don't, I know I always say that I ain't gonna proclaim to know much of none of this stuff, man, but I've been doing my homework, man, and I've come to love, I have come to love to doing this stuff, man. It's been so intriguing, man. And I need to learn a lot more about my boat anyway, man, to get more familiar with it. So, like I told y'all before, so I'll be able to change these things up, man, when needed. I'm gonna have to do that. So I'm assuming that's in, man. You know, if I could just get this little stupid thing here to cooperate with me, I think that's it, but nope, that's not it. So yeah, man, y'all get the gist of what's going on, man. I got the little temp sensor thing in here, man, and I'm gonna get this on and I'll get back to y'all, man. All right, man, we in business, y'all, man. I got this temp switch cover on, man. This cover takes a 5/8 wrench. So luckily I had one of those to tighten this up. I am not trying to strip this thing. So yeah, man, as y'all can see, Miss Johnson is coming together, y'all. In case y'all don't know, man, that's for my, I call her Miss Johnson, man, for my late mother, for my mom. Oh yeah, let me do that. My mom, Miss Johnson, man, who I lost in 2018, man. So that's why y'all see me going ham on this, man. I Gotta make sure Miss Johnson is right, man. Represent my moms. As we say in the black community, just representing the old girl. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta make sure she right, fam. You did? Gotta make sure she right, man. Okay, I'm not finna be stripping her now. I don't know why this not flush on there, but no, I can't be doing that. I feel like I'm stripping it, bro. Don't do that, man. Whatever you do, don't do that. Not going on flush, bro. What's going on? I need you to cooperate, buddy. You need to go on flush, fam. I need all this foolishness, man. I need you going on straight, can't you? So yeah, man, this for my moms, man, for the old girl. You know, this Miss Johnson, man, which is also my last name. So it's crazy how things work out in mysterious ways. But you know, it is what it is, man. So I don't know about this, man. I don't know why these threads not going in right here. I gotta get that right. I can't leave that like that. Alright, man. I just wanted to hit y'all with that little info. Let me get this thing right, man, and I'll get right back with y'all. Alright, man. Temp switches installed, man. Got that thing lined up, so we good to go with that for right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug him on up. We put a lot of dielectric grease on there, man. So yeah, man, the little dielectric grease for these connections, man. Just to, you know, make sure, peace of mind. I ain't gotta worry about no peace of mind. I ain't gotta worry about no water getting into these connections. Peace of mind, baby. Peace of mind. Yes, sir. So temp switches installed, man. You know, we ain't gonna be able to check none of these things until, of course, the outboard running, man. But you know, my thing is at least they'll be in place, and that's all that matters to me. More so than anything, that's what matters. That I got these things in place, so that's what it is. So yes, sir, man. That one thing there is out the way. Learning on the job, y'all. Learning on the job, man. I'm watching this series, man, and this kind of almost resembles what I got going on. The series is called Designated Survivor with Kiefer Sutherland in it, man. And you know, if y'all ain't up on there, I'm quite sure y'all probably are watching it, man. But it's about a dude that was forced into the presidency, man, when he had no experience, no training to do that. He just so happened to get a job at the White House, and all of the top ranking members inside the presidential candidate, you know, inside his little, you know, his little circle, everybody got wiped out and got killed, man, even the president. So he had to learn how to be the president on the fly, man, when it wasn't even expected. So that's pretty much what I'm doing, man. I'm learning a lot of this stuff on the fly, doing my research on it, man, and you know, so far so good, man. So for right now, man, I'm about to degreaser this outboard down, man, and you know, from all of the white that y'all see, and I'm gonna try to get this thing cleaned up as much as I could, man. And then we probably gonna get it to some old sanding, man. As y'all can see, I got the back transom, you know, the back part sanded up, man. So I don't know if this light blowing y'all out, man, the sun, but you know, we about to get it, man. So I'm about to spray this thing down with the degreaser and clean it up somewhat decent. And I'm gonna probably get a little bit of sanding done to it too, man, as well, man. But y'all see I'm set up, man, for success, man. So that's what it is. So here we go, y'all. All right, man, as y'all can see, got my gas tank cleaned up, man. Just going through a little checklist, man. You know, gas can cleaned up, 6-gallon fuel tank, man. And I got my those the bushings that go in before the steering tool, man. So I got them out. I'm about to wash this outboard up, man. Just wanted to let y'all see that. What I use for that, some mean green cleaner and degreaser. So yeah, man, like I was saying, we were about to degreaser this thing up, let this thing sit on here for a minute, man, and get this outboard back to looking pretty, man. Get her back purdy. Told y'all, man, this outboard is called Miss Johnson, man, and that's in memory of my mom, man. So in memory of Mom Dukes, man. My mom was a Dade County School Board teacher, man, for over 40 years, man. So I learned so much from her. How to be a great and giving person, man. So y'all gonna see a lot of that from me, man, on this channel, man. I got a very big heart, man, and like I told y'all, man, you know, I got a giveaway coming when I get to 100 subs, man. Probably gonna be like $100 worth of bait and tackle. And when I get to 1,000 subs, man, I'm gonna be giving away a rod and reel, man. Abu Garcia. Something nice, no BS, man. No $50 combo, man. Something real nice that you're gonna appreciate. Something that I would fish with, something that I already have in my arsenal already. And for y'all that's new to this channel, man, all I fish is Abu Garcia, man. So rod, reels, that's my go-to brand, man. I'm not sponsored by them, but that's just what I've been fishing with for the past 10 years, man. And I love them. I love it. So y'all make sure y'all sub up, man. Sub to the channel, tell a friend, share these videos, man. Spraying right in my face. Sheesh. So yeah, man, degrease it up. I'm gonna let that sit on there for a little bit, man. And Let that shit on there for a little bit, man. And hose it off and do it again. Alright, man, even though I'm gonna be spraying this engine down with the gunk, man, I'm gonna hit it up with a little bit of this degreaser too, man, just to break some of this stuff up, you know, as much as I can. I ain't trying to go too hard on it, but just to break some of this stuff up. Get it somewhat clean, you know, somewhat. As y'all see, I'm picking a sunny day to do this as well, so make sure it's sunny out here so this thing, water don't sit on here, kind of dry up kind of quick. But today is the day, man. Miss Johnson started looking a little bit better. She won't look like what she look like right now anymore. Today is the day. All that change up, my brother. Whew, son ain't playing out here, boy. Like, damn, I thought that was you coming out. What the hell what did I walk over here for? So yeah, man, quick little clean up, man. Hit everything up with some degreaser, man. I'm gonna probably hit it up one more time. Get it in there kind of good, man. Few spots I might have missed. Get up in there, you know what I'm saying? Well, the real cleaning is gonna come when I hit it up with that gunk, man. So this little degreaser just to break some of this stuff up for right now. Get some of this crap from out these cracks and crevices, man. I told y'all, man, Miss Johnson is gonna be taking on a new look, man. It's gonna be taking on a new look, man. My mom was extra fly, man. no matter what she did, man. That's where I get it from, man. Always was extra fly, man. Dressing, even going to work, man. Was a science teacher, man, and a physical education teacher, man, and a coach, man. So that's where I get a lot of my athletic skills from, man. So yeah, I'm gonna hit this up again. And we're gonna be done with that and let that dry out. And we'll be moving on to something else, man. That ain't gonna get it, not that one. I'm gonna need tie over. So yeah, man, I can't wait to see what this thing come out looking like once I heat it up with that gunk, man. Once I hit it up with that gunk, it's just to get a little, I guess you could call this the pre-cleaning, man. Boy, if you don't... That's what you could call this, the pre-cleaning. How I want to do this is, you know, get this thing cleaned up before I start priming and all that stuff like that, man. Get it cleaned up real good. And once I do that, man, I'm gonna tape it off from this line up here, you know, from where this black started at. Tape all that off, man, and get this thing cleaned up real super clean, man, and go from there. Get it super clean, man, and go from there. That's what I'm gonna do. Take this thing up and I won't have as much to do, man. Wrap it up. Take the outboard up. I mean, take the motor up, the engine components, man, and then I'll be priming this thing up, man, and painting it and getting it right, bro. So that's the plan, man. All right, man. I'm gonna take me a break. Let this thing sun gaze. As y'all can see, we got a hot day in Miami today. Ain't playing. It's probably like 90-something degrees. And I picked the right day to come out here and do this, man. So these components can dry up, man. So take me a little break real quick, man, and I'll get back to y'all. All right, man. Outboard clean, man. As y'all can see. Cleaned up. Pre-clean. Pre-cleaning, man. Hit it up with some degreaser, you know what I'm saying? Get that grime and all that crap off. Got my temp sense in, man. Temp switch in, temp sensor switch, man. Y'all see it, man. It's going down, y'all. Alright, guys, current situation, man, taking a break right now, man. It's so hot out here, but it's also a beautiful day, man. Don't get it twisted. Miami weather to the fullest, man. I got a good portion of the boat sanded up, man, with a 220. And those spots that I told y'all, those imperfections, man, I was able to scrape them up and get them flat. And, you know, sand them down to a nice smooth finish, man. And, you know, this is not gonna be no one-day thing. I'm not gonna get all this done in one day.
Well, duh.
So I'm pretty much prepping myself for the next time that I come here. I'll be able to finalize it with that 320 grit, man. Right now I'm just going for generally, you know, all over general smooth surface, man. Getting these imperfections out now before I hit it up with that 320. So, you know, whenever I do sand with this 320, it'll just be a breeze, man. I could just, you know, go through that swift and, you know, clean everything up, man, before I put this final paint on, man. But, you know, so far so good, man. Let me give y'all a look at it. Now, as y'all can see, you know, it looks like there's no primer on there, but it is primer on there still, man. Still primer on there. I got that thing extra smooth, man. I'm not even gonna take y'all in the front with that light at. I'm just giving y'all a glimpse of what it looked like, man. I told y'all, remember that spot right there where y'all see that black at? Got that imperfection up right there, and that thing is super smooth, man. Y'all don't forget, like I told y'all too, that flat black that I'm using, it's a 2-time Rust-Oleum flat black. Paint, primer and paint in one, you know what I'm saying? So, trust me, man, this thing gonna be legit, man. But yeah. Whew. Yeah, man, this sun ain't playing out here, man. I asked for a nice sunny day and they showed the Father Lord gave it to me, man. So I'm tired. I've been at this for a couple of hours now, man. So I'm gonna continue finishing up to the seating area. And I'm gonna probably call it a day, man. I got a couple of things done that I needed to get done. Got the outboard washed down. Got that temp sensor switch, switch put in. Yeah, man, and I got everything kind of lined up for me for the next time when I come, man. So just wanted to hit y'all up with a quick update, man. Video not over yet, y'all stay tuned, man. Fishing with Nate family, man. Y'all already know, man, we striving for perfection, man. Let's get it. Woo! Boy, it's blazing out here, y'all. But man, this is gonna bring this video to an end, man. Part 1 of the sanded before the paint, man. You know what I'm saying? And some more outboard upgrades, man. But yeah, man, today went kind of swell. I got, I want to say 50% of the boat sanded up, man. Sanded up with that 220. So I'm kind of satisfied with that, man, for right now. I know this wasn't gonna be no one-day thing where I was gonna be able to get all this sanded done, you know, because, you know, I sanded this boat before and I already know the hours that you got to put in with that if you want it to come out right, man. So like I told y'all, not going for a showroom look, man, but I am going for somewhat perfection, man. You know what I'm saying? To my standards, man. So I'm gonna take my time with it and make sure I do it right and make sure I get the finish that I'm looking for. So yeah, man, enough rambling. I want to thank y'all for joining me on this video, man. If you have not subscribed to the channel, man, please subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that thumbs up button, man, you know what I'm saying? And make sure you hit the notification bell, man, because if you subscribe and you don't hit the notifications and turn it on all, And just like you did subscribe, man. So make sure y'all do that for me, man. And yeah, man, the day was a good day, man. Got a lot accomplished. Lead myself up to the next step. Y'all can see Outboard over there, taped up, waiting on the next step for him, man. For her, rather. Miss J, man. Miss Johnson over there, man. Waiting on her next step, man. So that's coming soon. Still waiting on some parts to come in, man. Like I told y'all, marineengine.com, Crowley Marine, boats.net, man. And a couple of other parts and things that I'm still waiting on, man. Waiting on my trim and tilt, man. CMC trim and tilt, man. I guess it's taking a while because I got the one that have the what is it called? The gauge. The one that has the gauge sender on there. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully that'll be here sooner than later, man. So I can get this on. But I still can't put it on now anyway, cause I gotta paint the back of the transom, man. So, you know, things loaded up, man. Things coming in, and I'm more than happy, man. So I want to thank y'all again for joining me, man. Y'all already know, man. It ain't nothing but love from Nate over here, man. Y'all already know, baby. Peace.